Diatonic. Chromatic. Unaccented passing tone. Accented passing tone. Lower neighbor. Upper neighbor. Suspension. Here's another example of suspension. Many times they look like this. And your ear wants you to go here, or, and this C, suspension 4, and your ear wants you to go there. Most of the time, in worship music, they look like this. I've heard 1,000 stories of what they think you're like, but I've heard the tender whisper of love in the dead of night. You tell me that you're pleased and that I'm never alone. And on that, you see a D chord, but it has a 4 in parentheses, which means the start of a D chord, but you're only going to add the 4. So you've got the D, and then you add the 4. If you can see that. And it gives a sense of tension. You're a good, good father. It's who you are. It's who you are. It's who you are. And I'm loved by you. It's who I am. It's who I am. It's who I am. Retardation. It's just like a suspension, except for it goes up instead of resolving down. Appoggiatura. Kind of like an incomplete neighbor tone. And an escape tone is the opposite of the appoggiatura. It's going to be approached by step, and then it's going to jump. Anticipation. This means we're going to get to a note, but you're going to hear it first because it's anticipating where it's going. Hear that one again. And a pedal point is probably the easiest one to recognize because you can actually see it, but you're going to have a tone stay like that. So in this particular example, you're going to hear that G sustained through all of these different chords. You can still kind of hear that ringing. And again, you can typically spot the pedal point because you'll see a repeated note in the bass line. So it would sound like this. I'm gonna have to play that one first because I'm using one hand to hold the camera. So I'm gonna play the A first, and then you'll hear the rest of it. You can still hear that A ringing.